What's up guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Marinix and today I'm gonna be opening up 3 Fighter Ambition premium pack sets, and I am so excited for these guys. I know it's been a while since I haven't done this video, so let's get to it. Let's go guys. I was lucky enough to find some premium packs at my local Walmart, so I had to pick them up, and here we go. I don't want to waste any time and keep you guys entertained, so here we go with the Piccolo. Alright, let's go. First pack guys. Let's waste no time on this one. Let's go. Kakuja, Super Saiyan God Vegeta, Trunks, Piccolo, Son Goku, Red Ribbon Robot, Forgotten Capsules, Paragus, Vision Orders, Saiyan, Cling to Life, Gohan Whistles, and Super Saiyan Blue Goku and Super Saiyan Vegeta. Nice. That's a nice Gohan. Let's go second pack guys. We gotta be going through this pretty fast guys, so let's hope we get something. And I'm sorry for the wait for all my subscribers, everyone that's been waiting for me to post another video. I'm sorry. I'm back to it. Just had a lot of stuff to do. Android 13, Android 14, Trunks, Pan, Mercenary Tao, Son Gohan and Piccolo, Son Gohan and Piccolo again, Pan, Glimpse of Talent, Android 13, Villainous Threat, Gohan Whistles, Control, Rings Restraint, and a Vegeta Evolved Offensive. So far nothing. Here we go with Piccolo and Gohan packs. I don't know why all the time it's on the Piccolo or Gohan the hits on this pack. I've been noticing that a lot, but that's just me. I don't know. I might be wrong. Android 13, nice. Oh, it's a C leader. I thought it was a back leader. Okay. Angela, Lord Slug, Dr. Uriel, Trunks, Cooler, Meta Cooler, Super Saiyan Gohan, Android 18, Deadly Bomber, Vegeta Daily Diligence, Broly Villainous Threat, and nice SGR. Let's go. Son Gohan, Latent Powered Unleashed. Damn, this card is so nice. Our first hit. Let me put this on the sleeve real quick. Got the sleeves ready. At least I thought I had them ready. Here we go. And let's put this in the top loader. I'm really happy about this here. I only have one of these. Well, I have two. But here we go. My second SGR Son Gohan rare. Very nice. Just put this over here. Maybe if it stands in front of Pilaf. There it goes. And last pack magic, guys. Let's see if the last pack magic gives us something else. SR, SP, SE, SPR, maybe. Let's go. Wishing to End Battle, Gotenks, Krillin, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Janemba, King Rooms, Piccolo, Super Saiyan Broly, Android Assault, Android 15, Son Goten Fast Improvement, and Decisive Strike. Nice. Let's go to the second pack, guys. So far, we got one hit, one SGR, one Son Gohan rare with Kibito and Spring Kai, I think. Here it is, the Piccolo again. Let's go for the next pack, guys. Man, I am so happy. Back opening packs. I love opening packs. I also have some other things that I can open. I'll be showing you guys later. Son Goten, let's go. Under 15. Son Gohan, Lord Slug, Son Goku, Hidud again, Whis, Super Saiyan Broly, Saiyan, Forgotten Capsules, Son Gohan and Piccolo, Moment Respite, and nice. There it is, our first SR Android 13 Total Annihilator. Very nice. Let's put this on the sleeve too. If I can find my sleeves. Here it is. Nice. And on the top loader. And if you're wondering why I put SRs and SPRs on top loaders, it's because I want to grade all my Dragon Ball cards graded. So I want to keep them protected and nice. Hopefully they all come back at 10. 10s and 9s, I'll be happy. Well, this one doesn't want to open. We're gonna get to it. There it is. Come on. See, Son Goku, United Onslaught, Yushu Scientist of Lord Slug, Broly, Bestial Rage, Pan Remarkable Improvement, Vegeta at the Ready, Guru for all Namekians, Son Goten Fast Improvement, Under 13 Villainous Threat, Cling to Life, Vegeta Limbering Up, Metamacha Lord Slug Henchman, and Son Gohan and Piccolo training began. Nice. Let's go. Third pack. Nice leader, Lord Slug, Son Gohan, Piccolo, Turles, Red Ribbon Robot, Cooler Villainous Threat, Son Goku at the Ready, Angela, Spirit Bomb Unleashed, Son Goku, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Evolved Offensive, and Under 13. Nice. Last pack, guys. Let's go. Pull my first ally, Super Saiyan Goku, 114, Lord Slug, Dr. Uido, Janemba, Super Saiyan Broly, Conning Murder, 118, Golden Frieza. Oh, nice. This is a really nice card. Son Gohan at the Ready, and a Bulma Humble Wish. Very nice. That's premium pack magic, guys. Let's go. Hoping for an SCR. I haven't pulled an SCR on this set yet, and that's what we're looking for. I'm trying to pull that SCR Gohan Beast or that SCR Piccolo, even the Cell Max I'll take. So we're still on the hunt, guys, for all those. Here's the Piccolo. And here we go. Let's leave these 2 packs for the end. We go with the Gogeta. And let's see what we have here. Man, I want to see more Gogeta. Gogeta is so dope. I love the part when he's fighting Broly. That fight was so good. Bulma, first ally. Son Goku, Vegeta and Trunks, Dr. Uido, Janemba. Janemba was so strong. If he comes back on Super, that's gonna be crazy. Or Cooler. I would like to see Janemba Cooler come back. Beerus, Villainous Threat, Son Goku, Android 18, Chilites, Paragus, Son Gohan and Piccolo, Son Goku All Out Evolution, and Training with Ba. Second pack, let's go. We're flying through these packs, guys. Let's go. Angela, Son Gohan at the Ready, Son Gohan, Former Glory, Piccolo, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Son Goten, Vegeta didn't bring up. Super Saiyan Deadly Boomer, Son Goku, Angela restricting options, Android 18 here to assist, and Son Gohan and Piccolo training begin again. And the last two packs, guys. Let's see if we can pull some magic right here for these last two packs. Let's see what we're gonna get. Hopefully another an SPR or an SR. Well, I don't want to damage the cards either. So there we go. Trunks, Super Saiyan Goku, Control Range Strain, Trunks Tournament Competitor, Son Gohan, Broly Wilderness Threat, Android Assault, Pan Glimpse of Talent, Android 15, Son Gohan and Piccolo Moments, Lord Slug in his prime leader bike, and Super Saiyan Vegeta Evolved Offensive. Very nice. And we're down to the last pack, guys. What does this Piccolo have for us? An SR, SCR, SPR, or a secret rare? We'll see. But this pack has something in it, and I know it. Let's go. Son Goku Daily Diligence, Krillin at the ready, Under 13, Bojack Villainous Threat, Garlic Jr. Villainous Threat, Trunks at the ready, Krillin Trust Assistance, Under 18 here to assist, Gohan Whistles, Paragon Orders, Spirit Bomb Unleashed, and oh nice! There's no common foil, but here it is, SPR. Man, this is so nice. Look at the detail on this card, guys. Holy, they're making these cards so nice. And I've been opening some Pokemon packs too, so when I feel these cards, they feel so much better too. Man, this is so nice. SPR, Son Goku and Vegeta Immortal Rivalry. This is awesome. Let me sleep this card real quick. There it goes. Put it in a top loader. Make sure it's protected. And there it is, guys. Off of the 3 packs, these are the 3 hits that I got. Son Goku and Vegeta Immortal Rivalry, Android 13 Total Annihilation, and Son Gohan Latent Power Unleashed. Very nice. SCR. Son SPR, SCR, and an SR. Not too bad. I'm not sad. I'm pretty happy about this SPR. It looks so nice, and this SCR is really nice too. I want to complete the set of the SGRs. I think that would be nice. Man. Well, that's all for me from this video, guys. And I want to show you guys real quick. I have this history of Vegeta that I will be opening on my next video, so stay tuned for that. And I also got this one that I will be opening up. This Pokemon Shaymin Beastar. Very nice. So I'll stay tuned for those videos, guys, because I am back and I will be uploading a lot of videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.